I'm Matt Stonton. I'm Design and Manufacturing Director here at Medstrom. We've been manufacturing products here at Medstrom House since 2019. Today we manufacture a range of bed and also chair products. It's incredible to have been nominated for a national manufacturing award for our particular sector. That's really testament to the team and all of the hard work that they put in from the start of the design cycle all the way through to product launch. Being a UK manufacturer for our customers means that they have instant access to us here in the UK. We provide a great range of products with very, very short, limited lead times here direct from the factory. It also means that the customers can work very closely with us here, providing feedback on our products directly into the factory. And it's just nice to be recognised that we're doing the right thing.